Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Microsoft Flight Simulator on your phone. First, understand that you will be streaming the game, not installing it directly. This method allows you to enjoy the full PC experience on a smaller screen. You'll need a stable internet connection and a compatible device. We'll cover the simple steps to get you flying in no time, transforming your phone into a portable cockpit. Get ready to explore the skies from anywhere with ease. To begin your journey, you will need an active Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. This grants you access to Xbox Cloud Gaming, which is the key to playing Flight Simulator on your phone. A strong, stable internet connection, ideally over 20 megabits per second, is absolutely essential for smooth streaming. While touch controls are available, a Bluetooth controller will significantly enhance your flying experience, offering much greater precision. Once you have your subscription and a good internet connection, download the Xbox Game Pass app from your device's App Store. After installation, simply log in using your Microsoft account that has the Game Pass Ultimate subscription. Inside the app, locate the Cloud Gaming section. From there, you can easily find and select Microsoft Flight Simulator. The game will then begin streaming directly to your phone, ready for takeoff in just a few moments. For the best possible experience, always connect to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. This significantly reduces latency compared to 2.4 GHz. Close any unnecessary background applications on your phone to ensure maximum resources are dedicated to the game stream. You might also consider adjusting some in-game graphics settings to a slightly lower preset for smoother performance. Finally, remember that streaming can consume battery quickly, so keep your device charged or plugged in for extended flights.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.